KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing teriyaki burgers. Yes, another burger. We're doing it a little bit different though this time. Let's get on with it. It's really simple and easy to do. First thing I'm going to do is make up my teriyaki sauce. So here I've got about 6 tablespoons of sugar. That's going in. I have got around about 4 tablespoons worth of mirin. That's going to go in. And I'm also going to add in around about 6 tablespoons worth of sake. Okay, that can go straight in, and 6 tablespoons worth of a good quality soy sauce, a naturally brewed soy sauce. Give that a quick little stir, get some heat happening, and all we really need to do is dissolve all that sugar, get all those little ingredients incorporated together, and we're just going to reduce that sauce a little bit, not too much. We don't want it too thick, we still want it to be able to spread nicely. So take your time, let that cook away. In the meantime, here I've got 500 grams of beef and 500 grams of pork mince. I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of white pepper goes in like that, and also using a bit of sansho pepper, also known as prickly ash. Just put a little sprinkle of that all around, not too much. We don't want to destroy the teriyaki flavor. Give that a really good mix. Wearing a pair of gloves like this really makes it a little bit easier and a little bit cleaner to do, and you won't have to wash your hands afterwards. Make sure you drop some on the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. So we're just going to roughly make up some burgers, just about, I don't know, about a sort of half a cup's worth of that mixture. Just give that a really good roll. We want a nice little tight burger. Just give those a nice roll through like that. Give them a bit of a slap, get all those little pieces of meat joining together really nicely. That way we won't need to add an egg or a breadcrumb or any sort of binder. There's enough fat in all of that to help everything bind up quite nicely. I'm just going to do it the natural way. So once again, just give them a really good smashing, and we're going to be making these burgers in any second. Now there's different ways you can cook this. I'm going to use the barbecue. Make sure you've got a nicely greased hot plate like I'm doing there. I'm going to use the hot plate, that way we can smash the burgers down and get a really nice little crust on them as well. So simply just going to put those down, let them sit for around about 30 to 40 seconds, let a little crust sort of form on those. And what we have to really do now is we're going to get our nice big spatula and smash them down just like I'm doing right there. They will stick a little bit, but don't worry. Use your other spatula to scrape it off the bottom of your big one. I'm going to cook those off for around about 4 minutes per side-ish. Once we get a bit of grey colour travelling up halfway through, we can give them a quick flip. As you can see, we're getting a really nice crust on those burgers, and that is exactly what we want. We want that meat to caramelise a little bit. So give those a nice little flip like that. Not going to take very long to cook. Look at that. They look amazing. And you can see how the fats come out on that hot plate as well. So that nice little brownness. All right, I'm going to serve this up. I'm just going to get some plain boiled rice. Just using a little rice cooker to do that. You can even use a microwave rice if you want to at a pinch. Good little thing to have in the cupboard for emergencies, believe me. I'm just going to simply put our burgers straight on top like that and drizzle that beautiful teriyaki sauce straight over the top like that. How easy is that to make? The flavour is incredible, and using the pork and the beef mince gives you a nice little difference in flavour as well. Okay, so there you go, KP's teriyaki burgers. You can even serve that with a little bit of Mizuni salad or a rocket salad on the side, but I'll leave that up to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. I love reading them. I love responding to them. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something a little bit more unusual, a little bit more funky, especially using the barbecue, you need to join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my teriyaki burgers, and I will catch you next time. Bye!